Alright, front row riders, hold on tight. This isn't just any roller coaster, this is Giant Digger, Lotte World Busan's signature thrill machine, and it's about to dig straight into your adrenaline. ChatGPT wrote the script so far and I cannot stand how fake it sounds. So I'm just going to tell you it hits a top speed of 105 kilometers per hour. It's one of the longest roller coasters in South Korea and we had a great time on this roller coaster. Alright, let's skip through this queue line and go on the ride, shall we?
That was so much better than I was expecting it to be.
To see more of the park, you can check out our full day at Lotte World on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more POV videos. We will see you in the next video.